So picking up right where we left off in the last Edpuzzle or YouTube video, the power of knowing these equations is you can program the computer to do the work for you. And yeah, I could use a calculator, but this is way faster once that I've got it set up. How much would it cost me to get 890 M&Ms? Well, $7.41, 42 cents if we round up. How about a million M&Ms? It cost me about $8,300 to get a million M&Ms. And we can do this the opposite way. Once that you know the equation, you can manipulate it. And maybe you don't understand exactly what I'm doing here, but just know this is why you need to understand the equations. So people actually make a lot of money being able to just plug equations like this into a program and actually know what they mean. If you just use your intuition, you won't know what these equations mean. So I'm going to say x is equal to y times 120. And how many M&Ms could I get for $10? Now, I bet you could answer that, but it'd take you a while. Even if you used a calculator, you'd have to get it out, you'd have to figure all that stuff out. How about $5,001,000? How many M&Ms could I get? I might break it. A lot of M&Ms. So you get the point. I can type in whatever number I want here. It's going to give me the right answer. And I was able to program the computer to do that because I understand the equations. And then let's look at another question that you would find in your worksheet today. When it's a word problem, let's say Pauline buys 5 golden eggs for $1,000. So I'll say, and in the question I usually give you a hint. The golden eggs are going to be, let me see. I'm going to look for dollars per golden egg. So that's going to make golden eggs X, and dollars are going to be Y. And now, once that we've done that, and we're going to write an equation for it, we have to just do the same steps as before. We find the constant, and then we plug it into the equation. So y divided by x to find the constant, 1,000 divided by 5. I can do that in my head. So k, the constant, equals 200. And then putting it into the equation, we get y equals 200 times x.